With Canva right inside Aweber's landing page builder, you can easily customize the logo and add it to your landing page in just a few clicks. Check it out. Now on landing pages, we're going to click on an existing landing page. And then we're going to go ahead and add an image. Over here to the right, we'll click to design on Canva. And the Canva tool opens up. So first thing we're going to do is we can find a template. Let's look for food-based templates. I'll scroll through here. I'll grab this one. And now we can go ahead and customize this. Let's actually get rid of that big green block in the middle here because I've got another logo I want to add here. So let's delete some of this stuff out. Then we're going to go over to our uploads. And I've got a logo right here I want to add. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Maybe center it a bit. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and save right to Aweber. I don't have to log back into my account or anything. And there's my logo. We'll preview that. Looking pretty good. Canva seamlessly added to Aweber's landing page builder. Customizing your logo is easier than ever. Try it out in your account today. And if you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.